So just remember, when you're doing these kind of questions, particle P and Q have masses 0.2 and m. Now it tells you that m is greater than 2, so the motion is going to go down this way. Okay, it's going to go down this way. So there's the pulley. So this is going to be turning. That's being pulled up, and this is pulled down by the weight. So that's being pulled up by the tension. The same tension, okay, is on here. So that will go down, which is holding it up. Now, so we go through that. That's just telling us no other weight, motion taught as it's going through. Now the tension tells you that the tension is 2.1. Show that the acceleration is 0.7. Okay, so if that's coming down, what you got, I'm going to just use this scenario. So this is being pulled up. T is pulling it up. What's going against it is the weight, which is 0.2 G. G is the gravitational pull. Equals, now Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. Mass is 0.2 times A, which we need to show is that. But we've been told that the tension is 2.1 minus 0.2 times 9.8. And if we divide all that by 0.2, just check that on your calculators. Just check mine. So nice straightforward mark. If you get 2.1 minus 0.2 times 9.8, divide that by 0.2, that gives you 0.7. So happy days, that's pretty straightforward. Second one, find the value of m. Now like I said, the motion's going this way down. Just going to rub this off. Now if that's going that way down, the weight is taking the lead, so that's going to be mg. That is going against it, trying to hold it up, tension, which is in this case is 2.1, equals mass times acceleration, Newton's second law. That's going to be mass is, we don't know, m times acceleration, we do know, is 0.7. Okay, so bring that to one side. Mg is 9.8, so that will be 9.8 m minus 2.1 equals 0.7 m. Bring all the m's together, take what's not m on the other side, so that will be 9.8 m minus 0.7 m equals 2.1. That will be 9.8 m, take away 0.7 m will give me 9.1 m equals 2.1. So m would equal 2.1 shared by 9.1, and you'll get a mass of 21 shared by 91 equals, it doesn't give anything, I'm just going to write three single figures, which is 0.231. Now don't forget mass is in kg, so that's 251 grams if you want. Okay. At one instant, P has a speed of 0.3 meters per second upwards. Okay, so that's going up, obviously, what we discussed earlier of that speed. Find the speed, find its speed 1.5 seconds later, assuming that it is not yet reached the pulley. So, at one point instant, P is 0.3. Let's call that initial speed. Find its speed, so T is 1.5. Acceleration is the same, 0.7 meters per second. Now we need to find the final speed. So that is V. So we can use Sabat because the acceleration is going to stay the same here. It's not going to change. It's constant acceleration. So final speed is going to be u plus at. So final speed is going to be initial speed, which was 0.3 plus 0.7 times 1.5 seconds later. So that gives me, just quickly do that on the calculator, 1.5 times 0.7 plus 0.3. I'm hoping you got 1.35 meters per second.